Dear children, welcome back to English language class. We are doing the topic adjectives. We all know now what is an adjective. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. They are the describing words. Then we started with the kinds of adjectives. There are mainly 6 kinds of adjectives. The first one we have already done, that is adjective of quality. This is video number 3. And today we will start the second kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Now, adjective of quantity is the adjective that show the quantity of noun or pronouns. Adjectives of quantity, they are used to describe the quantity of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, like water, milk, oil, silver, gold, money, etc. It also describes the quantity of the abstract nouns like knowledge, beauty, kindness, honesty, poverty, etc. We have seen in the previous video, adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. They tell us about the quality. But now, adjective of quantity answers the question how much. It tells us about the quantity of the noun. Let's see the examples now. There was a little water in the pitcher. Now here, first thing we have to do is we have to pick out the noun. So here water is the noun and little is describing the noun water. And it is answer the question, how much water? Little. So little is telling us about the quantity. So it is considered as the adjective of quantity. Let's see another example. The crow saw pebbles and some grass nearby. Here, grass is the noun and some is describing the grass and it is telling us the quantity of the grass. And it is answering the question, how much? How much grass? Some grass. So, some is considered as the adjective of quantity. I ate sufficient rice today. Now here, rice is the noun and sufficient is describing the noun rice. So, it is an adjective. But it is answering the question, how much also? So it is telling us about the quantity. So it will be referred to as the adjective of quantity. Let's see another example. There isn't much milk in the glass. Here, milk is the noun and much is answering the question, how much milk? Much milk. So much is considered as the adjective of quantity. Jimmy eats a whole apple daily. Here, apple is the noun and apple is described by the word whole and it is telling us about the quantity of apple, how much apple. So, whole is considered as the adjective of quantity. There is no milk in the glass. Again, here milk is the noun and no is telling us about the quantity of the milk. How much milk? No milk. So, no is answer the question how much and no is considered as the adjective of quantity. Now, there is little juice in the jar. Here, juice is the noun and it is described by the word little. And little is telling us about the quantity of juice also. How much juice is there in the jar? Little juice. So, little is referred to as the adjective of quantity. So, we have to remember that adjectives of quantity answer the question how much, and to identify them first we have to pick out the noun in the sentence and then find out the word which describes and tell us about the quantity of that noun by answering the question how much. Thank you.